Bitcoin slips below $30,000, Ether trades above $1,800. SBF accused of leaking Caroline Ellison's private diary by US DOJ. FTX leadership seeks return of over $1 billion in cash stocks from former executives. Indonesia launches its crypto exchange and clearing house. US House introduced crypto bill in light of XRP ruling. Hello and welcome to 3.0 I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets traded mixed and remained near levels that have dominated for weeks amid a historically stagnant period for digital asset prices. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1.7% at 39,560 points. Meanwhile, the US House Republicans introduced a new digital assets oversight bill which will bring cryptos under regulatory ambit. The bill aims to establish a regulatory framework to protect investors in the crypto sector. Interestingly, the bill aims to lay down a regulatory path for crypto exchanges to register with the US Securities and Exchange Commission and would enable them to trade digital securities, commodities, and stablecoins all in one place. Meanwhile, last week, a federal judge delivered token issuer Ripple a partial win in a milestone case with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The ruling sent Ripple native token XRP and similar other altcoins higher. As far as spot Bitcoin ETFs are concerned, there is a ray of hope as SEC has accepted applications filed by BlackRock and Wellcree. On the economic front, US initial jobless claims for the week ending July 15 dropped to 228,000 versus the market expectations of 242,000. However, the second consecutive weekly decline reflected a persistent strong labor market, analysts said. Interestingly, data from Sentiment revealed that Chainlink has been one of the most optimistic tokens recently in the cryptocurrency space. However, price of Chainlink trended after its surging rise of more than 20% over the last 48 hours. In an interesting news, Sam Altman-founded WorldCoin has successfully completed its migration to the Optimism ecosystem, where crucial elements like the World ID and World App technological stack have already been migrated to the OP mainnet. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.2 trillion mark, losing 0.5% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased about 3% to $34 billion. Going forward, according to recent reports, the daily count of Bitcoin transactions has exceeded $1 million and is rising. Meanwhile, around 21,000 Bitcoin options contracts are set to expire this week with a notional value of $630 million, and 180,000 Ethereum options contracts will also expire, which have a notional value of $340 million. However, it will be interesting to watch whether this expiry will have an impact on cryptocurrency markets. MakerDAO's governance token MKR price has skyrocketed more than 20% weekly. One of the key reasons for the increase in its price has been attributed to the introduction of Optimism DAI Bridge, a Layer 2 scaling solution that enables speedy and inexpensive transfers of DAI between Optimism and Ethereum has given a significant boost to the price. US stock futures were trading higher as traders assess the latest corporate earnings results. Futures tied to the Dow Jones added 32 points, up 0.1%. S&P 500 futures gained 0.2% and Nasdaq 100 futures ticked up 0.3%. Bitcoin was trading at $29,800, down 0.6%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 1%, trading at $1,888. Solana Sol was down 4% and was trading at $25.2. Next on the list, we have Cardano's ADA token. It was down by 1.3% to trade at $0.31. Talking about Avalanche AVAX, it was trading at $13.9, lower by 0.2%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.76, down by 3%. However, BNB was up by 1% to trade at $244. Polygon Matic was trading up by 3% to trade at $0.76. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 4.5% at $0.072. Shiba Inu was trading up by 0.4%. Next on the list, Polkadot was up by 6% to trade at $5.5.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now, back to the headlines. The US Department of Justice has accused former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried of leaking the private diary of Caroline Ellison to the New York Times. The accusation comes after the NYT published an article which had Ellison's private musings, leading to the DOJ seeking a ban on all out-of-court statements made by witnesses and other parties in the case. The attorneys argue that an order restricting extrajudicial statements is necessary due to the intense media attention this case has received and the defendant's attempt to manipulate media coverage to his advantage. Among the allegations in the lawsuit are that Bankman-Fried diverted $10 million of FTX US funds to his personal account. His brother Gabriel planned to buy the island nation of Nauru with foundation funds, and over $100 million was donated politically using mixed company customer funds. Ellison, according to the suit, gave herself a $22.5 million bonus during a major FTX cash crisis. The estate for bankrupt crypto exchange FTX is looking to recover over $1 billion in cash and shares from founder Sam Bankman-Fried and other executives it alleges were fraudulently transferred to themselves. The new lawsuit filed Thursday alleges that the defendants used their close control over the FTX group's businesses and systems to perpetrate what it calls a massive fraud between February 2020 and November 2022, squandering FTX's asset on luxury homes, political and charitable contributions, and various investments. According to the filing, FTX issued more than $725 million worth of equity to Bankman-Fried, former CTO and co-founder Gary Wang, Director of Engineering Nishad Singh, and former Alameda Research CEO Caroline Ellison. Of this $725 million, $447.8 million allegedly went to Singh, and the lawsuit documents how it was recorded as a loan between Singh, trading arm Alameda, and FTX. The national cryptocurrency exchange announced by the Indonesian government a week ago has begun to function according to a statement from the country's commodity futures trading supervisory agency known as Bapepti. The platform will be the only space in the country where the legal exchange of digital assets is allowed. Bapepti confirmed the opening of the exchange on July 20th. In addition, the agency has established a futures clearinghouse along with the exchange. A clearinghouse mediates between a buyer and seller, ensuring the transaction goes smoothly. Previously, it was reported that Bapepti would restrict cryptocurrency sales to local transactions while keeping them in line with international market developments. Licensed traders will have 1 month to join the exchange. A conglomerate of top committees in the United States House on Financial Services has introduced a crypto bill dubbed the Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century Act. Following the court ruling on July 13th that XRP is not a security, the House Committees on Financial Services and Agriculture have teamed up with top Republican legislators to launch a crypto-friendly bill. The underlying goal of the landmark bill is to establish clarity for cryptocurrencies amid the lack of clear regulations in the nascent industry. The crypto bill, yet to be passed in law, also seeks to protect crypto investors from issues such as FTX meltdown, foster innovation, and position the United States as a leader in finance and technology. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update of buzzing stocks of the day.
Moving on, now let's have a look at the buzzing stocks of the day. First on the list we have Polygon Labs plans to expand Polygon network to include all blockchains and applications, aiming to democratize upgrades and encourage community participation. Matic is trading at $0.78, up near 3% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $7 billion. On July 19th, developers proposed a revamped governance mechanism for Polygon 2.0, aiming to establish a multiple layer 2s on the network. They introduced a comprehensive structure with 3 main pillars, each tailored for a specific function within the Polygon ecosystem. The proposed governance structure consists of 3 pillars: expanding the Polygon Improvement Proposal Framework, focusing on system smart contracts governance, and establishing a community treasury mechanism. The first pillar expands the existing PIP framework, allowing users to propose and research upgrades for Polygon protocols. The second pillar streamlines implementing upgrades for protocols, changes, or software as smart contracts, overseen by a specialized ecosystem council. The third pillar establishes a community treasury mechanism, fostering the growth of the Polygon ecosystem and providing funding for various projects. The treasury will initially be managed by an independent community treasury board, but will gradually transition to community-driven governance. Moving on, world's largest cryptocurrency, Binance's native token BNB, completed its quarterly burn of 1.99 million BNB coins worth around $477 million on Wednesday successfully. BNB was trading at $243, up near 1% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $37 billion. The exchange has been conducting such quarterly burns of BNB to reduce the token's supply since October 2017. BNB announced that 100 million BNB would be eliminated through a burning process. The auto-burn formula is used to burn large amounts of BNB quarterly based on the coin price and block generation. The 24th quarterly burn removed 747.51 BNB as part of Binance's Pioneer burn, which equals approvable lost funds by eligible users. In April, the exchange removed over 2 million BNB from circulation. Telegram-based trading bots have attracted a big number of crypto traders. These bots have made it possible for users to transfer tokens as easily as they converse on the messaging app. Unibot, which was introduced earlier this year in May 2023, is driving the majority of the traffic. The Unibot trading bot has skyrocketed in popularity on Telegram, with its native Unibot tokens increasing by more than 54% in the previous week. According to Dune Analytics statistics, the team has also recorded a consistent increase in user growth. However, today, a Unibot is trading down near 5% in the last 24 hours at $80 and has a market capitalization of $79 million. Unibot users have transacted a total of $54 million in tokens via the Telegram service. At the same time, Unibot returned $1 million in revenue to its users. These incentives are proportional to the total number of tokens held by holders, who earn 40% of the transaction fees and 1% of the overall trading volume on Unibot. According to market watchers, these solutions are desirable because they are simpler to use than decentralized exchanges such as Uniswap. Users do not need to continuously log into their wallet, double-check token information, or pay hefty fees to assure successful exchanges. Moving on, the number of 1-inch tokens held in wallets tied to centralized exchange on Tuesday rose to a record high of over $65 million, according to data tracked by analytics firm Glassnode. However, today, 1-inch is trading at $0.33, down near 7% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $326 million. In 3 days, the so-called exchange balance has climbed by 50%, representing a 18.65% of the circulating supply of 987.6 million and 12.2% of the entire supply of 1.5 billion. 1inch is the native token of TEX aggregator 1inch, which was introduced in December 2020. When investors intend to sell or deploy coins as a margin for trading derivatives, they often move coins to exchanges. As a result, a significant increase in the balance kept in exchange wallets is usually regarded as a predictor of price volatility. LBank Exchange, a global digital asset trading platform, listed Snake, a meme coin built on the Cardano blockchain, on July 19, 2023. For all users of the LBank Exchange, the SNEK USDT trading pair is now officially available for trading. SNEK has a market capitalization of $27 million. The SNEK stake pool also witnessed increase in pledges reaching 100,000 ADA. Moreover, the project implements active burn mechanisms including swap, stake pool, and LP rewards. These developments signify a solid foundation for the SNEK project and position it for further growth.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.